I'm getting so overworked. Unbox kisses, my friends. Yay. Oh, I need to feed my cats. Hey guys, Allie Lovelace here. Today we're going to talk about Imperfect Foods. I'm going to show you how to set up your own account and why you should join the Imperfect Foods world. Okay, so let's get started. Alright you guys, so I have got my screen pulled up here for you guys and we're going to walk through what it is that Imperfect Foods does. I'm also going to show you 2 different orders that I've received in the last few weeks. I've been with Imperfect Foods for about 4 months? What month is it? It's February right now? Since December, so 3 months. And I love it. I absolutely love it. And I'll tell you why. Let's go. We're gonna start off as if we're a new member. And I'm gonna type in my zip code. They deliver to my area. So step 1 is you can build a grocery plan, you shop during your window, and then you get your groceries delivered. How many eaters in your household? And mine are 1 to 2. Any dietary preferences? I eat it all. What type of produce do you typically buy? Organic, regular, or I buy both? What's your most important meal of the day? For me, it is breakfast. And then here is what's recommended. So it shows me 11 to 13 pounds of regular produce. Automatically suggests the dairy pack, which is $9.99 for 3 to 4 items. I'm also gonna add the snack pack and the meat and fish pack. I've done the grains pack, which I really like, but I already have a lot of grains in my cupboard right now, so I don't need more grains. They also have a plant pack, which has, tofu and different kind of plant-based meats that you can try. And this brings my total to about $46. For my particular area where I live, my delivery's on Tuesday. And then I can pick what I want in my boxes between 3 p.m. on Thursday and noon on Sunday. Max, guess what just got here? Our Imperfect Produce box. Dun, dun, dun. Okay, now this is really cool. For Valentine's Day, they're doing this thing called Save Stems. So you can get all of the stems that just didn't make it into a bouquet. So I got some nice flowers. Okay, so in box number 1, we've got some artichoke hearts, we've got lots of carrots, potatoes, a big huge orange. My gosh, look at that thing. We have got cilantro, we've got some bell peppers, a lemon. Look at these little potatoes, how cute. Box number 2, I already opened these. Let me tell you, they're delicious. We've got naan bread, got my favorite creamer, salami, my favorite brownies, got some portobello mushrooms, we've got celery, we've got my favorite snack mix, honeydew, some tangelos, nice garlic, some pears, an avocado, and some sugar snap peas. What's great about this homepage is that it shows you what kind of impact you've made with each box. So let's look at what this company's all about. So first, about, right? Their mission is to eliminate food waste and build a better food system for everyone. 139 million pounds of imperfect food have been saved. Why imperfect? So Imperfect Foods gives you things that have been discounted, surplus, that have cosmetic imperfections, that are ends and pieces or short-coated. So what do those things mean? Well, cosmetic quirks. So grocery stores want food that looks beautiful and unblemished on the outside. On the outside, you guys, don't judge a book by its cover. Grocery stores actually pick food to go into their stores based on how it looks. So if it doesn't look perfect, they don't want it. So that means that fruits and vegetables with odd shapes or scarring are considered ugly and unmarketable, despite the fact that it tastes exactly the same as a more beautiful piece of food. It turns out your taste buds don't care how perfect something looks. Wrong size. Grocery stores are incredibly picky, down to the millimeter about the size of produce they like, and always prefer uniformly sized produce. So that means all the tomatoes need to look the same, all the cucumbers, all the zucchinis, all the potatoes. They don't want a bunch of different drastic sizes. They want everything to be uniform. So unfortunately, these retailers like grocery stores are dismissing food that doesn't look right. It doesn't matter, guys. We love all shapes and sizes here. Surplus. One of the harshest ironies of our food system is that sometimes food gets wasted because it is overabundant. So if there's too many lentils, the store doesn't want to have too many lentils, even though there are lentils to be had. To hedge their bets against bad weather and pests and make sure there's enough perfect produce to sell to grocery stores, farmers often have to overplant their fields. This means that if there's an unexpectedly good crop or a drop in demand, they may end up with way more produce than they had plans to sell. In the packaged food world, buyers sometimes downsize or back out of large orders, leaving hardworking producers with perfectly good food that's suddenly stuck in limbo. So you might just have too many lentils one year and grocery stores aren't going to buy them because they don't want too many lentils. But then you have these lentils that need to be eaten, otherwise they're going to go bad. So Imperfect Foods is buying them at a discounted rate and then offering them to us, the consumers, at discounted rates. Undervalued. Sometimes perfectly good food goes to waste simply because there isn't enough demand for it. For example, broccoli leaves are a healthy and delicious part of the broccoli plant that used to get left in the field because stores only wanted to buy broccoli crowns even though the stalk and leaves are over 2/3 of the plant. Did you know that this is what broccoli looks like? This is what broccoli grows like. Okay, packaging change. Brands, like people, sometimes need a makeover. However, when a brand changes the packaging on one of their products, an unintended consequence is that the old packaging is often stuck in food purgatory. It's what's on the inside that counts, right? And short-coded. Traditional retail stores won't stock items with best by dates that are less than a few months away, even though these dates represent estimates of peak quality, not strict food safety guidelines. The best by date is an estimate, so check things. How to customize. How does shopping with Imperfect work? They let you know what products are available each week. You choose your groceries, and then they pack it and ship it to you. I mean, you save time, money, and food from waste. Need I say more? Packaging. So usually you're able to recycle your boxes, but right now because of COVID ruining our lives, it's not happening. Okay, sourcing. Their pledge. If food can be saved, we'll save it. So everything is sustainably sourced, quality, value. All in all, they're supporting smaller farms because we had this food going to waste. It was just unnecessary. I've been able to shift over to basically doing my full grocery shopping through this site. I love it because I don't have to go anywhere. It comes to my doorstep and I'm discovering new products and I'm getting fresh produce, fresh organic produce at a discounted price. All in all, I feel like I'm saving money and I'm a lot more conscious of my food waste. So how can you get started? Well, sign up, friends. We got bread, we got eggs, meat, butter, got bell peppers, oranges. Look at the zucchini, it's huge! And cute little apples. Look at your tiny potato. Thank you so much for watching my video. I hope that you learned a lot about Imperfect Foods. If you would like to join, please use my code below. You'll get $10 off and so will I, which would be awesome. This is a great way to reduce your carbon footprint and to save food from going to the landfill because 40% of our food gets wasted in America alone, which is absolutely insane. This is a great and easy swap to make for your grocery shopping. Not to mention the fact that it makes it so much easier because you don't have to go anywhere. It gets sent to your door on a weekly basis and I guarantee you'll have less food waste. So thank you so much for watching my video. Please like, comment, and subscribe. And tell me what you guys think of this one. And I will see you next Thursday at 11 a.m. All right, ciao, ciao. Food, I love food. Okay, little plug for a friend of mine, Mr. Eco. Check out this video right here. Click it.